Hey everybody, so glad to show you today this super cute cell phone bag that I made. Yay! You're gonna love this. This is so easy to make. It is about 8 inches tall and about 4 inches wide. This is really cute and easy to make. Even the snap, you don't have to do a snap if you don't want to, but making this bag is incorporating all the techniques that I've shown you in my other videos. And you can see in comparison to a cell phone, it's a pretty decent sized little bag that you could take with you if you're just out, you know, running errands and you don't want to drag your whole big old purse with you into the store or an event or the beach or the bar, wherever you're going. This is a really cute bag. I think y'all are going to love it. You can get, remember, you can get the pattern in my Etsy shop, Clothespin Dolls. So let's get started making this cute little bag. Loving it. Oh yeah, don't forget, you know me and my box bottoms. I love box bottom bags. Yes, because it gives it such volume and depth. It's so cute. Loving it. Okay, so you're gonna really like this bag project today. This is going to be a crossbody cell phone purse bag, something that you can carry your cell phones in, or cell phone in. Okay, so I've already cut out the lining. And once again, when you get my pattern, it's going to have some different writing on here. Keep in mind, when I'm drafting these patterns, a lot of times I just, you know, keep it simple for myself. Okay. A friend of mine gave me some really pretty fabric, African fabric, and just want to make sure which is the right side. So I'm going to turn my two right sides together, and I'm going to turn my two right sides, they are together. Now I'm going to stitch along this side and this. Okay, be sure to stitch along both sides and the bottom edge so you can square it off and do your box corners. Outer fabric, go ahead and stitch across, close that up, and stitch along this edge as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Stitch these two up. We're gonna put them inside each other. I've already kind of have the strap that's gonna go for the crossbody, and it's just up to you what length you want this to be, because it's gonna, you know, wrap around you. Typically it's about 36 to 40 inches, but entirely up to you. So let me go do some stitching and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So you can see I've stitched the bag inner lining and I've just left the bottom open. And this is the exterior of the bag, and I've gone ahead and stitched that bottom up. I personally like boxed bottoms for pretty much any type of bag. That's just me. Yeah, that's just me. So we'll leave it at that. So I'm gonna flip the interior lining. Just gonna go ahead and flip it inside out. And remember, you want right sides together. So I'm gonna take the right side of it and just slide it on, put it there, put it on the inside. And I'm going to line up these side edges and gonna pin here. Oops, sorry, I forgot something. Oh, our strap. We got to put our strap on the inside. So just smooth it out to make sure it's not twisted. Okay, so just go ahead and take it. I'm just gonna kind of roll it up a little bit so I can have more control over it. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna slide it. Let me see if I can go in a little closer for you. And I'm gonna slide this onto the inside of the bag. And then I'm gonna take each strap. I'm gonna take one strap, and I'm going to align it up with the seam on this side. And I'll go ahead and pin that, or you could use your quilting clip, whatever works best for you. Okay, so that's that one. And then we're gonna put this one in over here. You can iron these seams out if you like. I'm just gonna flatten it out, and I'm just going to pin it so it doesn't scooch around. You can actually pull your strap out just a teeny bit. Even if you're seeing it, that's okay, because you want to make sure that, you know, your strap is secure, so your straps don't pop off and your bag, your cell phone or whatever is important to you and your case goes flying out. So I'm gonna just put that there and gonna pin it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back over to the sewing machine and I'm gonna stitch all the way around the top. Okay, what I think is a really useful trick is when you get your bag or your item up under in the sewing machine, you've got your feed dogs, your foot down, go ahead and let that needle go in one time so it'll stay in place, and then you can just stitch right along. And we're back. So now we've got a weird shape, right? But this is your lining, and this is the exterior of your bag, and this is, now we're gonna flip it inside out. So we're just gonna go ahead and have our pretty little bag there. Once again, I like box corners. Okay, and we're back. So we stitched up the bottom of the part of the cell phone bag, our little mini bag. Once again, remember, I like box corners. So now we're just gonna go ahead and push everything back inside. And you got your straps. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. One thing you want to do is probably iron your bag. And of course, my strap got twisted because I didn't double check. Make sure you double check yours. So you're gonna top stitch all the way around. Now, I'm gonna go iron this, top stitch it, and then we'll put a little snap on, and then that way you won't have to, you'll have a little extra security, making sure your bag, your cell phone or whatever you have in here doesn't just fall out. We'll put a little snap on this to make it cute. Okay, so we are almost done. And yes, okay. So we remember I said we were gonna put a snap in here. So just take, if you have the little toolkit to make these snaps, then that's fine. If not, you don't have to put a snap, or you could sew a little piece of fabric and a button. But I'm gonna just go ahead and use the little tool and just poke a hole. Yep, straight through the bag. You're like, oh my God, I did all that work and now I'm poking holes in it. Yeah, well, it'll be fine. So just so happened I had a bunch of these left over from another project, and what you want to do is just put the front part of the snap in and make sure it goes all the way through the fabric. Take the other piece of it and just kind of set it on there, and then you take this little crimping tool. I'm so sorry, I forget what this thing is called, but you're gonna set the cap in there. You've got the other end, and you're just gonna squeeze, and I guess that just forces it to keep its little snappy shape. Ta-da! Look how professional that looks. Okay, so you got your opening on the other side. We're gonna put the snap cover in, push it down, take the other piece of the snap and just put it right there. Okay, making these little bags does not really take a lot of time. You can probably do this in about an hour. Not a lot of time needed. Okay, so Are we done? Yeah. We are done. So now we've got this adorable bag, and you can take your cell phone, and as you can see, there's a lot of space in there. You could put your earbuds, you could put a small wallet, and your straps are really strong, and it goes crossbody, and you just snap it up and snap it closed, and ta-da! So thank you for watching today's video. Oh, on how to make a cell phone carrier bag. Cell phone bag. Ta-da! Very cute.